Hello friends, once again I am here with the topic what is Power BI, and continuing from last video, what is Power BI? Power BI is a business analytics service developed by Microsoft. It includes data visualization, business intelligence tools and reports that allow users to extract insights from data. What is Power BI basically? If someone knows, it's a tool at which we can upload our data and we can clean, we can convert it to different format, different form. We can filter, we can visualize, we can create reports, we can have some insights from the data. So it has similarity with other Microsoft services tools like Excel, SQL Server, Azure Cloud Platform. So what is business analytics? Power BI is used to analyze the business. So what is business analytics? The practice of investigating past data about a business to gain insights from the data and apply the insights to drive business decisions. These visualization can be used to create a report that narrates a story. Data. So what we do, what type of insights we are talking about? See, if we are in some pharmaceutical company or we are in some product based company, so we analyze sales and profit and loss of our product in different region, with seasons, with country, with as we can say, the some superstore which is in India, which in abroad, which in US, Germany, everywhere. So how we will analyze the business, which city or which country is more profitable? We can have some past data for about 5-10 years, and we can generate some insights which one city or state or country is more beneficial, and where is the weak points of our superstore. So for business analytics, we need some data sources which need to identified, clean, transformed. They may be one or more than one. Power BI greatly simplifies each of these steps without the need to write a single line of code. So, if we want to gain the insight of sales of mobile phone from different region, what we will do? We will generate insights from the data. The data is mostly in tabular form in millions of rows, so it's really impossible to get some information by just viewing it, by just seeing what is the data. So tools like Power BI includes some tools to generate interactive visualization from raw data, which gives us big picture view. These visualization can be used to create a report that narrates a story to convey a story from data. So we can take business decisions according to visualization, according to the reports, according to the story generated. Going from the raw data to business decision involves various steps. Involves various steps. What are these steps? Data sources need to be cleaned, identified, and transformed, etc. Power BI greatly simplified each of these steps without the need of any coding. Allows the users to focus on the big picture without telling them without narrating them with data. It can easily create a story only with data. So what is data analysis? The process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming and modeling data in order to extract insights and make business decisions. So what is the data analysis? Process of cleaning, inspecting, transforming, modeling data to extract business insights. There are some phases in data analysis. What are they? These are data requirement gathering. So, a crucial component of business analytics involve all these steps from identifying data to generating reports. It does not involve interpreting the data to make decision. The goal is to aid some business decision making rather than carry it out. It is data analysis is more data focused, business focused. So there are some phases in data analysis which are data requirement gathering. Note the type and format of data required along with attributes such as freshness, availability, etc. Data source identification, find data sources to requirements and set up connections between them. There may be more than one data sources for a single report. And the more phases are data cleaning, which includes remove unnecessary data, fill in missing values, etc. Data processing, structure the data in a useful format, apply transformations on a specific fields. Like if we are having some sales USD, we should convert it to euro or reverse. There are some more phases of the data analysis which are EDA. Understanding the data in deeply, we use EDA. What is EDA do? EDA just do the summary, statics, and visualization. We can have some other types of. So there, data communication. What are data communication? It builds interactive tables and charts, combine in a report, make reports available via URL. Some other types of analytics are descriptive analytics, which described based on historical data. Example, total sales in a year. Diagnostic analytics use descriptive analysis to cause of events like fraud. We can analyze the fraud in card transactions. If there is a fraud, what is the basis of on what basis there is a fraud? There are some other types of analysis too, which are predictive, cognitive, and prescriptive. So for a data analysis, from data source identification, data cleaning, data processing are mainly the task of DA. But in few organization, you have to go more little, little more. What are the phases we have to go? There are some other type of analytics. At least you should know the definition. What are they? Descriptive analysis describe status based on historical data. Predictive analysis use past data to forecast events. For example, using regression to predict sales of a flight tickets, predict rainfall, sales of flight tickets. Cognitive analytics. What are cognitive analytics? Express hypotheses with degrees of confidence using machine learning. What is prescriptive analytics? Actions and their expected outcomes. Example, if we do more social media advertising, we may have higher sales on few of our products. So in any of the organization, the role of DA is up to data processing, data cleaning, data source identification, and up to EDA. But you should know the basic definitions of few more things which I have already described. In our coming video, we will learn how to install Power BI on our laptop, free version of the Power BI, and we will have some operations with some data sets. We will learn how to visualize the data, and we will how to gain the insights from the data from different data sets. So friends, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much. We will go far with Power BI. We will include all the topics of Power BI which by which you can crack the interviews. Thank you so much.